Well, welcome back to SSP. This is a 2002 Forester. No, 2001. 2002 is the same. This is gonna go for your 98 all the way to 2002 Forester. Your blinker lights out. Your friends are making fun of you, telling you your blinker fluid's leaking. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how to remove this, replace the light bulb in it, and put it back together. You're only going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. There's one screw up here at the top that holds this in, right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you guys. It's a little screw like this. If you lose it, I'm sure you can find another screw to put in it. No big deal. And if you push the tab out a little bit like this, so you can get a little bit of room to put right here. There's a pin. Watch, I'll show you guys. Just wiggle it. It should. Maybe sometimes it may need a little tap. Come on, baby. There we go. I got my hands in here. Wow. What is holding this puppy in? Really? There it is. Woo! I thought I was gonna break it. This, man, this guy's strong. Be careful not to break it. I almost broke it. But it sits right in here. Holds that. That holds it from the bottom from kicking up. And this is the screw that holds it from up here on top of the headlight. Once you get it out, go ahead and, man, these plugs are getting older and older and harder to pull out. There he goes. Yeah, you gotta push this guy in right here. So once you get this out, go ahead and turn this to the left like that, pull it out. Replace the light bulb, and you can see in there, dual filament. Turn to the left, pull it out. This is like a brand new bulb. Put it back in, turn it to the right. It's got these guys, little ears right here. They only fit in one way. They're all different sizes, so you can't screw it up. Just keep turning it until it falls into place. You can see how it's not falling, and then keep turning, and then eventually, there you go. And then make sure it clips. Put it back in. It's pretty easy. Make sure this is plugged in. And what you can do before you put this back together, go ahead and turn the lights on, test it. Make sure your blinker's working. And then go ahead and proceed to put it back. Make sure that this guy ends up in here and this guy slides underneath here. I mean, it's pretty easy. Don't force it, but once it's in there, you can. If you push, you'll feel the clip going in, and then make sure you put this screw back in into this little spot. Now that's the same for the passenger side, driver's side. Same exact way replacing it. That's it.